Hi, today I'll be going over Wylock second grade, uh, lesson 26. So let's look at number one. Let's draw a coin to match each given price. Make sure to use the simplest way. So the keyword is simplest way. So this is what I'm gonna do. First, on the top, I'm gonna draw these. So blue is 25 cents, which is a quarter, cent, and then green's gonna be a dime, which is gonna be 10 cents, and red's gonna be nickel, which is gonna be 5 cents, and lastly, yellow is gonna be the penny, which is 1 cent. All right, this is 67 cents. So let's start with 25. How many 25 can we fit? Can we do one? Yeah, we can, but we gotta do the simplest way. So let's do it. Let's try to make it high as we can. Can we do two? 25, there's two 25s, that's a 50. So can we do another one? If I add 50 plus 25, that's 75. And that won't happen because this is 76. So it won't work. This is 76. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put two 25s. That's 50. So 67 minus 50 is 17. So we have to do 17 more. So let's get one of dime and one of nickel. That's 15. So let's subtract 15. And we need two. So we can get two pennies. Just like that. It's pretty easy. So when you look at number 5, we have 100 cents. That means $1. 100 cents is in $1. So what I would do is, what's the highest one we have? We have quarter. Quarter is, like, if you think of it like this, and you have this whole thing is $1, right? This whole blue thing. Quarter is this much. So if we have 4 quarters, we fill up the whole dollar. So we're gonna have four quarters, which was blue, right? Yeah. Let's put 4 blues. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can check. A quarter is 25, right? 25 plus 25. 5, 5, 10. 50, right? And we can do 25 at 50 plus 25 again. 75. Now 75 plus 25 is lastly 100. So that's how you get it. Alright, let's go next page. Oh, let's do one more question. Let's do a hard one. Let's do number 6. Yeah, looks alright. So let's start with what I would do. We're gonna check how many 25 we can fit in again. 2 is 50. If you did 2, you get 50. Right here. And if you get 3, you get 75. And you get 4 is 100, right? So let's see. Can we fit 3 right here? Can we fit 3? Nope. We're $2 short. 2 cents short. So I'm going to use 2. 2.25, 2 quarters, which is 50. If I subtract, you get 23. Okay? 23, I'm going to get 2 dimes. Dime was green, right? Yeah, dime's green. 2 dimes, which leave you with 3 pennies. That would be it. Next slide. Next page. Measurement. Choose the correct answer for each problem. Billy's boots are 8 inches long. Evan's boots are 4 inches longer than Billy's. Rosa's boots are 3 inches longer than Billy's. Whose boots are 12 inches long? So we're gonna find whose boot is 12 inches long. Okay, so let's start with this. Billy is 8 inches long, right? Now Evan right here are 4 inches longer than Billy's. So we're gonna add 4 to 8 for Billy. So Evan, if I add 8 plus 4, that is correct, 12. And Rose's boots are 3 inches longer than Billy. 3, if you add 3, you get 11. So who has 12 inch long? Right here, Evan. So you're going to put Evan. You're going to put A, right? look at number 2. Leslie's pink binder. Let's look at number 3, hard one. George's pool is 6 feet deep. Jonathan's pool is 3 feet deeper than George's. Adam's pool is 2 feet deeper than Jonathan. How many deep is Adam's pool? Okay, we're looking at how deep is Adam's pool, right? So let's start with this. George, right? Pool is 6 feet deep. Jonathan is 3 feet deeper than George. So let's add 3 to 6, which you get 9. And Adam's pool is 2 feet deeper than Jonathan's. So let's add 2 to 9, which you get 11. So Adam is 11. So you're gonna put B, 11 feet. Let's do last 2 problems right here, 3 and 4. John's and his friend Maria are flying kites. John's kite is 28 inches long. Maria's kite is 44 inches long. How many inches is John's kite shorter than Maria's? Let's see. John's kite is 28 long, right? And Maria's kite is 44. So Maria is 44. So we're going to see how inches John's kite is shorter than Maria's. So let's do 44, Maria's, minus 28, which is John. So let's subtract 4. 4 becomes 3. And this 4 becomes 14. So 14 minus 8 is 6. And 3 minus 1 is 1. So 16 inches shorter, okay? And Jonah is 5 feet tall. Sam is a foot taller than Josh. How tall is Sam? You just add 1. Look, Josh is, let's say this is Josh, right? Let's try it. So he's this tall. He's 5 feet. And Sam is 1 inch taller than him. So from here is 1 feet. Then how tall is this whole thing? You add 1 feet and 5 feet. So 6 feet tall.